accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, account, master account, deal account, centrally, chart of accounts and company code. We'll discuss this later. Okay. In these controls, we have changed company code F546. Okay, we have quite a lot of accounts, petty cash, F546 10101. We've already made quite a few FB03 document list. Execute, enter, ignore the warning and press enter. Okay, we have created entries. Okay, petty expense and cash. Okay. Next is vendor configuration. I believe that is also must be done. Financial accounting, payables. Vendor accounts, master data, operations, account group. Let's find FI46. We don't have F546 new entries. F546, F546, six. So you're now sick. Okay. Number ranges to account groups. First, we'll create number ranges, intervals, and we have an interval over here, LO. Okay, LO, 0. And it is external. External means it will be made from somewhere else, but numbering range will be synchronized with finance module, FI module. Right now we run finance module. Okay. Okay. Next is assign number range to vendor account groups. LO. Not LO, FI46. FI46. Okay, we will give LO, not defined for vendors. Save. Okay, once this is saved, next part is cross application components. Cross application means cross module, multiple modules, and multiple modules will have central function to create business partners. For example, in cross application, we have business partners, business partner, basic setting, number range and groupings. We did the same. We made an account group. In cross application, we have groupings. In FI, we have account group. We have number ranges in FI. We have number ranges in cross application. We have to match them both. Define number ranges, interval. We have LO, reach down, reach down, LO, 5,000 to 19. 220 will be our business partner. So let's see how to go about it. Define grouping and assign number ranges. New entries, grouping FI46. Classic FI46. Classic vendors, number range LO. So group is made. Now we have to integrate both FI and cross application. How? That's the next step. So we were in basic settings. Now we will go for master data synchronization. Synchronization between modules and cross application components. Okay. Customer, vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for vendor integration, set BP role category for direction, business partner to vendor. Okay, we have FLVN 00, FI vendor, and business partner vendor. Field assignment for vendor integration, assign keys. Define number assignment for direction, business partner to vendor. Over here, we'll go for entries. FI 46. This is grouping from cross application. And this is account book from finance. FI 46. Toyona 6, Toyona 6. Same numbers because we have to synchronize. See, see. Okay. Let's go to the transaction BP, that is business partner. Okay. BP is the transaction code. We'll make an organization. Okay. It is saying choose the role. Role is business partner generalized. Grouping will be FI 46. Okay. Let's say our is per not per copy per not viewers FI 46, and there are some other fields 53720 Karachi KIS IS is Islamabad, language English, and we save it. Two one 11 5011 is created. Now switch between display and change. From business partner generalized to a proper FI vendor. Now it will change to field from relationship will change to company code. Okay. Now what do we need? Country UK postal code. Okay, language is all done. I will go to company code. Over here, it will ask me for company code FI 46. Enter. Over here, I will give 014 and reconciliation account. So let's go back to NFS double. Oh, not account. 60,000 NP. Okay, open BP 5,000 to 11. Enter. For not viewers. FI vendor. Now it will change to company code when I select vendor from generalize. Generalize has relationship. FI vendor will have company code. Just keep looking here. And it changes to company code. I go to company code. FI 46. Enter. Recon account 60,000. Sort key 014. Save. Changes have been saved. I will go to switch between display and change. Probably here. I'll go to vendor, and vendor will bring up purchasing group, purchasing side. Here is purchasing. Change in BP role, search term, same, kitty, other things all remain the same. I go to purchasing. And purchasing, I have purchase organization F5.6. Enter. It does not exist. We have not made it. So we cannot save it. We'll do it when in MM. Okay. Next is we can do entries in vendor. But first we'll do taxation and withholding tax configuration. Accounting, global settings, ledgers, tax, basic settings. Check calculation procedure. Access sequence condition types and procedures. These are all interrelated and interlinked. What is the logic? Let's discuss that. Continue. Okay. Page down. We have MWST text classification where we have some fields combination that we see here, that is country and tax code plus tax classification. Country and tax code selected fields. Fields will be whenever you make a tax code, it will ask for the country and tax code. We will be using this tax classification. Okay. There are other jurisdictions as well, like US taxes. I will just see how US taxes are designed. Taxes using jurisdiction code. What is jurisdiction code? That is state codes. And what is exclusive over here? Let's see F1. Let's see what it does says. Control where system stops searching for a record after the first successful access of condition type within access sequence. Okay, now what is the condition type? Let me see that. First was access sequence. Then is condition type. What are condition type for taxes? Let's do that. Okay. BST. Okay. Input tax is what we deal with. Double click. Okay. Now MWVS is input tax, which is using access sequence MWST in the last step that we have seen, where it will ask for country code plus tax code. And that tax will be calculating taxes only based on a percentage and the condition category. This is the condition and its category is type. So condition class. So in classes, we have taxes, discounts, prices, wage withholding tax, and so on. Okay. This might look a little bit dry, but this is conceptual right now. Calculation type can be amounts, percentage, fixed amount, quantity, volume, formula, and so on. Tax category will be tax category will be total charges, cash discount, internal price, basic price, similar to classes, but we'll take tax. Okay. Rest, everything is default. We have MWVS for input, MWAS for output. Output is attached with sales order for the customer to pay. Okay. MWAS output tax. Access sequence is the same. Country and tax code. This is output tax. Okay. Next is procedures. Procedure is sales tax for Pakistan. I will select it and control data. Control data is nothing but country and tax code. Okay. And it also shows how the tax will be calculated. It will be calculated in the same way that a base amount of the invoice will be given on based on which input tax will calculate on the basis of base amount. It will calculate input tax and add to it. Okay. So account key PST, we've already seen that this account key will have GL integration. Okay. PST. Okay. Simple, easy. Okay. Next is basic settings calculation. Define tax code for sales and purchases. Country, PK. Tax code. Non-filer, filer, filer, 3% filer manufacturing, let's say 7% filer, F7. And we have F7 input tax account key is VST. Why this is account key? Because this key will use GL accounts. And where are the GL accounts? These are the condition type, MWDS and MWAS. Output tax, input tax. Condition type is derived from the condition and access sequence that we discussed. And VST will have hold the account key. Account is tax accounts and chart of accounts is FI46. No GL account has been specified yet. Okay, let's go back. Assign company. Okay. Next is posting. Define tax accounts. Okay. Transaction will be VST, which will hold the account key. VST. FI46. FI46 is not there. New entries. FI46. Tax code, yes, it will be required. Country will be required. Accounts. FI46. Okay. Save. FI46 accounts. New entries. F7 country UK GL account 80300. Save. It was saved. Now define tax codes. PK F7 tax accounts. FI46 chart of accounts 80300 is automatically here. Okay. This is integrated now. Now we can pass entries.